Welcome to PMDC's online lecture room. Lecture number 1. Subject is chemistry of grade 2nd year. Chapter number 17. Alkyl halide. Topic is alkyl halide. Alkyl halides. The outlines of a lecture are introduction, alkyl halides, nomenclature, and in the last assignment. First we will discuss about alkyl halides. Alkyl halides are derivative of alkanes. Monohaloalkanes are usually called alkyl halides. One hydrogen atom of alkane molecule is replaced by halogen atom. Functional group of alkyl halide is halogen. It is represented by Rx. R represent alkyl group and X represent halogens. Halogen may be fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. General formula is Cn, N represent carbon number, H2n plus 1 and X represent halogens. Alkyl halides. Classification. Alkyl halides are classified into primary, secondary and tertiary alkyl halides. This classification is depending upon whether the halogen atom is directly attached to primary, secondary or tertiary carbon atom in a molecule. Alkyl halides. We count the number of carbon directly attached to the carbon bonded to the halogens. The carbon to which the halogen is bonded, we call them alpha carbon, and here in the examples we are represented it with a green color. If the carbon, that the green carbon, is attached directly with the 3 hydrogen atom, so we call them primary. If one carbon is attached with that green carbon atom, so we call them primary alkyl halide. If the green carbon which is bonded with the halogens and it having 2 carbon atom attached with it, so we call them secondary alkyl halide. And the carbon which is attached with the halogens, that carbon having 3 carbon atoms attached with it, so we call them tertiary alkyl halides. Primary alkyl halides. You can see in this example, that is the green carbon which is attached with the halogen chlorine and it having just 1 carbon with it, CH2. So we call them primary alkyl halides. Now in this example you can also see that the carbon containing halogens is attached with a carbon CH2 and after it there is another CH2, CH3, but that green carbon containing just 1 carbon group, so we call them primary alkyl halides. In secondary alkyl halides, we have 2 carbon attached with the carbon which holding halogens. You can see in this example that is the carbon holding halogen, it having attached with the 2 carbon atom. One is CH3 and one is CH2. So that is called secondary alkyl halides. Now in this example you can also see that the carbon holding chlorine group that attached with the 2 carbon atom CH3 and the other one is a long chain. But the one CH2 group is attached directly with the carbon, so we call them secondary alkyl halides. In tertiary alkyl halides, we have 3 carbon attached with the carbon and that carbon is attached with the halogen. So you can see in this example that is the green carbon attached with the halogens, but it having 3 carbon atoms. 2 are CH3 group and 1 is ethyl group, that is CH2 and CH3. But you can see it is a chain, long chain, but the CH2 is attached with the carbon. So we have total 3 carbon, so it is called tertiary alkyl halides. In this example, you can see that the chain extended, that CH2, CH2 and CH3, but the carbon having holding chlorine halogen atom, the 3 carbon atoms is attached with it, CH3, CH2 and CH3 directly with the green carbon, so we call them tertiary alkyl halide. Now, nomenclature, that is, first we will discuss common system. Alkyl group is attached to the halogen atom is named first, then followed by the name of halogens. CH3Cl. So first we will write the alkyl name, that is alkyl is methyl group, and then we will write the halogen name, that is chloride. So we call them methyl chloride. In a common name, first we will write the alkyl group. So CH3, CH2 combined give us ethyl and Br represent bromide. So we write it ethyl bromide. CH3, CH2 and CH2, that is called propyl bromide. Now, the carbon holding Cl group, it attached with the 2 carbon atom, so we call them secondary propyl chloride. Now, the carbon attached with the chlorine having 2 carbon atom attached with it, but CH3, C, CH2 and CH3, so we call them secondary but butyl because it having 4 carbon atoms, so we call them secondary butyl chloride. In IUPAC system, select the longest continuous chain of carbon atom containing halogen atom. Then numbering of the carbon atom of the selected chain from the end nearer to the halogen atom. Now you can see the example CH3, CH, CH2, CH2, CH3, but the CH group having holding chlorine. So this is our longest chain. This is the longest carbon continuous chain. We are giving the numbering, but the numbering will be given from that side where the halogen group is near. So we are giving it from the left side. Carbon 1, carbon 2, 3, 4 and 5. Derivation of the basic name by writing the word halo before the name of alkane. First we will write the halogen name, then we are following the alkanes from which the alkyl halide has been derived. The basic names become as a haloalkanes. Now the name of the chain that is having holding 5 carbon atoms, we write first the halogen name and the position of halogen, that is chlorine on carbon 2. So we will write 2-chloro. Pentane. Pentane represent as that we have the 5 carbon chain having single covalent bond, and the 2-chloro represent as that the chlorine groups attach on a second carbon atom. Naming all the other substituent and indication of their position by appropriate number. Now you can see here that is first we will select longest carbon continuous chain holding the halogen. So that is we have the 5 carbon chain, longest carbon continuous chain holding the chlorine group, and 1 carbon which doesn't take in a long chain, that is methyl group CH3, which is also a substituent. Now giving the numbering, so we are giving the numbering from the left side because the halogen from the left side is near. So carbon 1, carbon 2, carbon 3, carbon 4 and carbon 5. You can see the carbon 3 holding methyl group as a substituent and carbon 2 holding the chloride group. Now we are giving name the alphabetically order. So first we will write 2-chloro. 2-chloro, 2 represent that is the position of chlorine. 3-methyl, which is represent the position of methyl group, which is not included in the chain, and the longest carbon continuous chain holding 5 carbon, so we have pentane. So the name become 2-chloro 3-methyl pentane. Now in this chain we will first select the longest carbon continuous chain which is holding 7 carbons. Now we are giving the numbering. So the numbering again we are giving from the left side because the left side the second carbon holding 1 chlorine and 1 is the methyl group which is not included in the chain. And on the 5th carbon we have chlorine. So first we will write alphabetically order the substituent that is which is not included, chlorine, 2-chlorine and methyl. These are the substituents. So first we will write the substituent and indicating their position, but substituent will be written in the alphabetically order. So first we will write the chlorine. The chlorine are 2, so we will write the position 2,5 dichloro. 2 and 5 represent us that we have 2 carbon which holding the 2 chlorine atom. One is carbon 2, one is carbon 5. Then we will write 2 methyl, and then we will write the hept. Hept represent as that the carbon chain is 7 and represent as that there is single covalent bond. So the name become 2,5 dichloro 2 methyl heptane. Assignment. Write the IUPAC names of the following compounds. Here the examples are given to you, that is CH3, CH2, C holding chlorine and Br groups CH2 and CH3. Select the longest carbon continuous chain and then give the number. In the second example CH3, CH holding chlorine, CH holding methyl group CH2, CH2 and CH3. Select the longest carbon continuous chain and give the number. Now this one molecule CH2, CH holding CH3 group, CH2 and CH2 holding bromine group. Now the next question is draw the structure of the following compounds. 2-chloro 3,4 dimethyl hexane. Now the name is given and you can draw the structure, but first you will draw the 6 carbon chain and then give the number and putting the substituents. 3-ethyl, 2-iodo, heptane, 2-bromo, 2-chloro, pentane. Thank you.